Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy the um coin from your trust wallet. So right now I'll head on to my trust wallet, and the first thing I'll have to do is the coin I want to buy is so I've entered it on coin market cap. So I'll scroll up to check for the contract address here, so I'll copy it. So once I do that, I'll head back to my trust wallet, then click on the apps, click on this, and scroll down where you see popular and tap on PancakeSwap. So once I do that, I actually want to buy this coin right now. If I see how it is doing, I'll buy more. It is called Wakanda Inu coin, so I want to buy it more now. So I say let me decide to make a video on it. For instance, anyone want to buy a coin out there, so I'll click on select currency. Please remember that if you are buying this coin, if you are inputting this coin for the very first time, you won't have it listed here. So what you need to do is the address that I copied from this place under the contract, this here, you copy it. So that is the one I'm going to use now. I'll paste it here, paste it here inside this box. So I'm going ahead to do that. So you can see import. So you tap on import. So now I understand, then import. So it is here now. So let me type, I don't know how much this quantity that my BNB can actually buy. So let me say 1 million. Three, 1,000, 1 million. So let me see if it will. Then the slippage. I'm trying to count the zeros here so that I won't make mistake. 1,000, 1 million. Or better still, let me delete everything too. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let me see if my it can't. So I have as you can see here, it is showing 0.69 at the top, and I don't have to that. So let me remove 1 0. Let me remove another 1 0. 0.06. So let me change the 1 to 2. 0.013. Okay. So the tolerance fee, I don't, let me put, then at the end of the quantity, this is where I'm putting in the quantity of Wakanda that I want to buy. So at the end of the quantity, let me put 0.1. So let's swap and see if it will go. Yeah, approve. Tap on approve. So we are waiting for confirmation. Transaction submitted. Close. So now I want to confirm if I have the okay, you can see here now that has been deducted. Before here I have around 10 BNB here, $10 worth of BNB here. So you can see it's no, it has reduced. So now let me get back to the apps to check. Tap on PancakeSwap. So now I will need to click on that Wakanda Inu here to see if it will reflect. So now let me search for currency. Select currency. So you can see here, circulator for you. You can see here, that is my Wakanda Inu over there. So that is how to buy your Wakanda Inu or any coin you want to buy on Trust Wallet. So for the sake of because I don't want this video to be unnecessarily long, so that is why I'm fast about it. But I promise to do a proper video on how to buy from Trust Wallets. So if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, please subscribe so that you'll be able to get informed and get updated on my new videos. So see ya.